Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing essentials and launching the app. Open the Eero app, sign in with your account, and make sure the primary Eero shows as online. Once done, plug the new Eero into power near the primary. You want a strong Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signal for discovery. Tap Add Eero or Add Device in the app, then choose the type of Eero you're adding. Follow the on-screen prompts to let the app scan for the new unit and begin the pairing handshake. Once the app detects the new Eero, you'll configure it. Pick a name and location, which helps later diagnostics. The device often fetches firmware. Do not move it during updates. Check the LED. Pulsing means updating, solid white means ready. After updates finish, run the placement test in the app so you can optimize signal strength. If the test shows weak RSSI, move the unit closer to the primary and retest. Make sure Ethernet backhaul or bridges are set if you plan wired connections. Finish by confirming your devices reconnect to the mesh and you have internet access at expected speeds. If a device didn't join, restart both Eeros and the app, then attempt adding again. Bluetooth, location, and notification permissions help the app find hardware. If LED shows amber or pairing repeatedly fails, power cycle, move the unit closer, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Hold the reset button for about 15 seconds, then re-add in the app once it boots to factory state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.